Come with me. I'll grill your cheese yet, boy.
Are you saying there was a kid who was worse than me?
But let's not dwell on a mysterious figure from the past who is your superior in every way. Out you go.
I've got milk and cookies.
Hydroxios? Oh, Marge, until you start serving healthy food, the midday mommies are pulling you from snack rotation.
Lily, I know you witnessed the most awesome prank since creation. Can you tell me about it?
His name is Andy Hamilton.
Andy Hamilton. Man, it is an honor to meet the guy who wormed Skinner.
You know, when I was your age, we couldn't film our pranks for YouTube. It was local news or nothing. You want to be Springfield Elementary's next Andy Hamilton? Then you'll have to top these awesome pranks. The bear traps in gym class, the fire in the drinking fountain.
This Andy sounds like kind of a loser.
How could someone so much like me be a loser?
Loser.
Mom, what would you do if someone you cared about might be a loser, but they thought they were awesome?
Are you talking about your father?
Almond butter, soy milk, non-soy dairy-based soy sauce, steel-cut spelt husk. Okay, that comes to $790.
$800?
Oh, God, you're right.
Look, I think I can get you a job.
Get me a job? Thank you, man.
I would keep that on for the interview.
As my new second assistant, you've got to drive me from my office to the stage. And if you see anybody I've screwed over...
You're supposed to be at work.
I tried, man. But he was like, do this thing. And I'm like, why, dude? And he's like, I'm your boss. And I'm like, I quit.
Healthy snack time!
Is it?
A nonstick pan.
Don't you know that non-stick pans are made with PFOAs?
And I promise you, I will not leave this job unless I flake or it becomes bogus. My pranking days are over, for good.
What's gotten into you, man? Andrew, I wanted to show you something in the makeup room. Makeup room.
Yeah. Get some fino, riot. Yeah. Get some fino, riot. Yeah. Yeah, we fino, riot. Whoa. Yeah, we fino, riot. Yeah. Made it on my own, it's by myself, yeah. Yeah. I don't have to look to no one else, yeah. Yeah. I don't put my all, that's my life, yeah. Whoa. Yeah, I'm feeling comfortable, yeah, right here. Yeah. Yes, I'm feeling hella Hollywood. Whoa. I'm never going bad like you thought I would. Yeah. Oh, nigga, is you mad? Cause I got that good. Whoa. Been working on myself cause I can't trust nobody else was out here working.